You know, if you don't put down that camera every once in a while, a woman could get the idea that you don't like to talk to her.
Well, I can't talk right now, Lisa. Miss Lonely Hearts is up to something.
Oh, what is it this time?
Well, she's meeting someone at her door. There's a man. He's bringing her a bag of food.
It's probably just her Uber Eats driver.
Her Uber what?
Uber Eats, darling. And you know Miss Lonely Hearts has the right idea. I hear there's a promotion on right now, $5 off your next 3 orders when you download the app.
Now, wait just a minute. No, he's going away.
You see, what did I tell you? You know, with how you're spying on all the neighbors, I've half a mind to warn them about all the other peeping toms they might find online. They might download Opera GX for a more secure browsing experience, though.
Well, if that's some kind of a joke, Lisa, I'm missing the punchline. But anyway, you know I'm not spying on them. I have to watch them and make sure they're all right. Thorwald.
Oh, Thorwald this, Thorwald that. You know who you ought to be watching? Take a look at Miss Torso. She's like a queen bee with her pick of the drones, and do you know why?
Why?
It's because she applies Dior perfume twice a day. Just look at the way she holds those men's stares.
And how could you know that?
Well, you said hers resembled my apartment, didn't you?
No, I didn't.
Which I found on apartments.com for a steal, I'll have you know.
What? Lisa, what year is it?
Rear Window was released in 1998 and directed by Jeff Beckner.
What?
My apologies for the confusion. Rear Window is a 1998 film directed by Jeff Beckner, which is itself a remake of the 1954 film directed by Alfred Hitchcock.
Wait, Lisa, look. It's Thorwald. He's laying out all his things on one of the beds.
Oh, what about it?
Those are his wife's things. Look. Shirt, shoes. That's his wife's handbag he's taking out right now.
What's that thing in his other hand?
Well, I don't know. It looks like some kind of a drink, some kind of a can.
Well, whatever it is, it looks refreshing.
I don't know what he could be doing.
Saturday,